Okay. Okay, I'll teach you how to harvest the beans. We have so much beans. What you gonna do,
It's to pick.
yeah, is hold one. No, 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 you don't pull it. You twist it. Hold it right here or twist it. Twist this one. Twist the beans. Good job. No, not the baby one. Not the baby. That's the baby.
That's
Right there.
the bigger one.
Uh-huh. Oh, no, you can...
Not pull it.
Here, there's
No.
more.
What's that?
Which one?
Ant.
There's ants. It's okay. Okay, if it's too high, you just have to hold it and twist it, okay?
It's fit.
It's really long, huh?
Yeah.